Hey guys, I'm Heath. Thanks for checking out Glazier Elevation. So we're a marketing and business growth company that works solely in the glazing industry, helping glazing and glass repair business owners like yourself generate more work and ultimately maximize your time, your profit, and at the end of the day, grow your business. So whether you're a one-man operation and you just want a steady flow of jobs to be able to support your family, or you've got a larger operation and you need hundreds of jobs a month to fuel a glazing business empire, we've got you covered in all respects. So our mission is to guide you from being a business doer to a business owner, working on your business instead of just in it. And so you can do the work that you want to do, not the work that you have to do out of desperation. So I built this system over the last 8 years with my friend Ryan Murphy. He's a fourth generation glazier with over 20 years experience. And it's designed specifically for glazing business owners, whether you're a small operation or a larger one, to be able to consistently deliver leads into your business so you don't have to worry about where your next job's coming from or whether your business is growing onto the next level at the rate that you want. So below this video, you're going to find case studies, results, testimonials, and below that, you'll also find a 10-minute form where you can basically book a 10-minute meeting with myself. It's just a quick phone call, just so we can have a chat about your business, see where you're at, what your goals are. We've got solutions for everyone, no matter what phase of your business journey you're in. So if you're interested, fill out your details below and let's make it happen. Thanks, guys.